There are 3 subjects at UNSW Law School where students can actually study the law and legal system by being an intern in an organisation. As part of their academic work for the subject, students have to do a presentation. The scenes you'll be seeing shortly are some of the experiences students have had.
We've been interning at the Bar Association with the Criminal Law Committee.
And we both did an internship with the Red Cross. Basically, the intention of my paper was to summarise the key issues affecting children in Australian society today.
So the issue that I was assigned was to look at the effectiveness of the current legal approach in reducing drug use and abuse.
We found that the work each intern gets is quite specific to their individual magistrate.
Yeah, my chapter was on looking at alternative models for drug regulation, so basically comparing other Australian jurisdictions and across the world.
Students can go out and work in a non-government organisation, for a government organisation or for a private commercial or financial organisation and actually experience the law in practice.
So I was interested in doing an internship at Voiceless because it's a cause that I'm personally very interested in and quite passionate about.
I was studying employment law back home in Cape Town, and I actually surprisingly didn't come across corporate social responsibility until I came here.
We really enjoyed our Experiential CLD, very glad that they gave us really so much to do and all the information was relevant and topical. Most of it had been in the news like the previous week, and we had the opportunity to work on it.
And then you consider what might be the impact of changes that have been proposed, or what is the best way to go about tackling this concern.
So that's a skill that not all law students develop so early during their degree.
Students can study overseas as an intern in a human rights organisation in London, Korea, Samoa, Vanuatu, or they can do their internships in Sydney or other places in Australia.
Most of my time was spent doing case summaries or research for the magistrate.
It's not as difficult as it sounds. The research material is really helpful.
Personally, I think this internship has helped me contribute better to society.
Knowing that the research that I'm doing will form the basis of a broader campaign to improve Indigenous rights is extremely rewarding and motivating.
You can really see in this environment that the work that unpaid interns such as ourselves do is really vital to the success of this organisation and our state's process of law reform.